For this problem, you should have taken paper. I think the drawing tools get too hard when the denominators are a little larger, so I asked you to use your paper and upload a picture. So this is what it should have looked like. You followed exactly what I asked for from the previous video. And I would draw I'm going to draw 2 rectangles first because I'm following my interactive notebook. You must have that. You must have modeled 3/6. So we're going to go, I always like to go thirds and then cut those in half or sixths. And I'm going to draw 3 of those. Okay. Then I'm going to go horizontally and represent 2/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 2 of them. Notice I'm not scribbling horribly. If I can't tell you're modeling and you can't tell you're modeling, then there's no point in doing it. I saw some of this. I can't really tell what that is. So please take pride in your work and make the models. You can clearly see what my models are representing. Okay. So now my next instruction is to partition the first rectangle in the same amount of units as the second. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now my fraction is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or 3 by 5, so you know it's 15. Remember when we count our model units, sometimes we can miss our counting. And then we're going to partition the second, 15 out of, and we have 30 now. Then we're going to partition the second rectangle into the same amount of units horizontally as the first, which was 6. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you now have 12 out of 30. And again, I alerted you to noticing that we got that 30 because you can also multiply the denominators and get 30. But you are modeling. But I don't mind when you see a trick to verify your counting is correct. You are not skipping any of these parts, okay? So now we can answer our question. So 5 and 2 is 7, and we have, so 27 30ths. I can't, let's see. I noticed that 27 can be divided by 3. And 30 can be divided by 3, and that's 9/10. So you have to make sure that you can't simplify your fractions. Simplifying is just as important as everything, simplifying is just as important as everything else. So please make sure that you simplified. If yours looks like mine, I'm excited. If not, I want you to take a screenshot so on the next one, you know to do better, okay? All right, screenshot, and I will see you on the other side.